Your VPN doesn't just hide your location, but it does a lot more. Let's see what all it can do. Most people think a VPN is only for changing your location, like watching Netflix from another country, but that's not the real reason cybersecurity people use VPNs. Let's learn more about VPNs, but before that, please do subscribe to NC Cybersecurity. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. So even if you're on public Wi-Fi, in a cafe, airport, or at hotel, hackers can't easily spy on your activity. Without a VPN, your real IP address is exposed. That means websites, advertisers, and trackers can follow you online, and your internet provider can see which sites you visit. But with VPN, your real IP is hidden and your traffic is encrypted. So instead of seeing your activity, your ISP only sees that you are connected to a VPN server. And here's the hidden advantage: a VPN can help reduce ISP throttling, where your internet speed is slowed down during streaming or downloading. So remember this: a VPN doesn't just hide your location, it protects your data and privacy. Thank you for watching, and do let me know if you have any questions in the comment box. And please do like, share, and subscribe to NC Cybersecurity.